A European initiative could enable the industrial-scale production of indium phosphide chips on 6-inch wafers. Find out why officials are calling this a game changer for the Netherlands. Coherent Aerospace and Defense lands a big contract with the US Navy, how their high-powered lasers could reshape the battlefield on land and at sea. And we're just days away from Laser World of Photonics 2025. Hear from officials on the new advancements poised to take center stage. Photonic Spectra Now starts now. Photonic Spectra Now is brought to you by Ceram Optic, innovative fiber optics every step of the way. Visit ceramoptic.com to learn more. And by Norland Products, pioneering high-performance adhesives and specialized solutions since 1960. Visit their all-new website at norlandproducts.com. Hi, and welcome to Photonic Spectra Now. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonic Spectra. TNO is announcing plans to develop a manufacturing line for photonics chips with the help of several European research groups. The initiative from the Netherlands-based organization will enable industrial-scale production of indium phosphide-based chips that will transition from 4-inch to 6-inch wafers. Officials say the pilot line is funded through PIX Europe, a European initiative. Sticking with chips, reports this week signal the establishment of China's first production line for thin-film niobate photonic chips. The reports come from outlets familiar with the nation's semiconductor ecosystem. These chips can power AI, 6G, and quantum computing advancements. MIT researchers have developed a novel AI hardware accelerator specifically for wireless signal processing. Researchers say this photonic chip is 100 times faster than the leading digital alternatives, while still converging with 95% accuracy in signal classification. This new device could be especially useful in future 6G wireless applications. Coherent Aerospace and Defense has been awarded a nearly $30 million contract for the US Navy's high-powered laser weapons system. Coherent will develop pulsed fiber lasers for remote sensing and illumination. It will also help create a 400 kilowatt directed energy subsystem. This work is being done for the Navy's Songbo program, an initiative to accelerate the development of next-generation directed energy systems that can support a range of missions including counter-drone operations, precision strike support, and maritime area defense. Vodafone is targeting quantum capabilities through a partnership with Orca Computing. Through this collaboration, Vodafone software will run on Orca Computing's quantum computer system. Together, they'll explore the use of quantum technology to identify routes for upgrading and extending fixed and mobile broadband connections. Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory and Amazon Web Services have partnered to leverage the power of AI to enhance operations at the National Ignition Facility. NIF recently completed the first phase of integrating generative AI capabilities into operations. High-energy density physics experiments generate a tremendous amount of high-value data, and that can be hard to capture. Lawrence Livermore officials say leveraging the lab's data through advanced AI techniques allows the lab to solve problems faster and pave the way for predictive maintenance and more efficient operations in the future. And Laser World of Photonics 2025 is just days away. Officials say they expect a record number of exhibitors, with about 1,400 participating from more than 40 countries. All 5 halls will be filled, so make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes because there won't be much room for sitting. I spoke with Anke Oduli, the exhibition director of Laser World of Photonics, to get a preview of this year's show. Here's what she had to say about the new events coming to Munich.
Our new formats we have, they are including, for example, the Integrated Photonics Application Forum, talking about AI. We also have a special show jointly together with Automatica, which will take place in parallel. And this is the Photonics meets Robotics AI success stories. And this is definitely something you should visit in Hall A3 because you will see some demos there, how photonics and robotics really work together and supported by AI.
Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.